Hello second graders, how are you everyone? I miss every and each one of you. So as you know, we're going to start a new chapter today. So during the next few weeks, we're going to learn all about money and time. Are you ready to start a new chapter and learn new things? Keep watching. So second grade, today we will learn how do we find the total value of a group of dimes, nickels, and pennies. So here's the penny, you guys. And there's there are several versions of pennies, but they all the same size, okay? They change the picture. So here is one penny. So this is the penny from 1983. Okay, one side of the penny is the head side اللي بيكون مرسوم عليه الراس, and the other side called the tail side. Okay, this one is from 1959, and we have this kind of pennies called the wheat head penny. They are really old. They were since 1909 till 1959, and as you can see here, the wheat on the tail side, on the back side of the penny. All right, so as you can see, penny is worth 1 cent. Okay, all right, here's the nickel, and nickel is 5 cents. Here's a nickel right here, and sometimes they look like this one, and these are the new one right here. Okay, now this is the old one called the buffalo nickel. So as you can see, in the back side there is a buffalo, and on the head side there is an Indian. So these ones are very old. They were from 1913 till 1938, right? Here's the dime, and here's the dime from 1964, and this is the dime from 2015, right? And they used to have these dimes. They called mercury silver dimes, or the silver dimes, and they're made of pure silver. They were since 1920s through 1964. And as you can see here, one dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, as you can see here, the nickel is the largest coin of the three, and the penny is a little bit larger than the dime, but dime worth more. It worth 10 cents, right? So penny worth 1 cent, nickel 5 cents, and dime 10 cents. So let's see here. We have one nickel, so one nickel is equal to 5 pennies, right? One dime is equal to 2 nickels, right? And since each one nickel is 5 pennies, so it's equal to 10 pennies. One dime is 10 pennies as well. So let's go ahead and do model and draw. So this is the cent sign. It's a C with a slice going through it, as you can see here. And how many cents the dime is? 10 cents, right? And the nickel is 5 cents, as you can see, and the penny is 1 cent. So let's see and count dimes by tens. As one, we know that one dime is 10 cents, so how many cents do we have here? 10. We're gonna count by tens. So we have 10 cent, 20 cent, and 30 cents. So how many cents do we have? 30 cents. Let's look at the next one. Here we need to count by fives because we have nickels, right? So here's 5 cents, 10 cents, and 15 cents. All right. So sometimes we have dimes, nickels, and pennies, and we need to find the total value of all of them. So for dime, we're gonna count by tens because each one dime is worth 10 cents. Nickels worth 5 cents, and pennies 1 cent. So here's 10 20 cents, 25, and we're 30 cents. Then we have to count by one, so we have 31, 32, and we have the total value of 32 cents. So before we go to the next one, بدي أحكي لكم شغلة كيف بدنا إحنا ما عنا لا دايم ولا سنت ولا نيكل ولا pennies, right? So بدنا نتخيل عشان إحنا بنستخدم شواكل حنستخدم نفس الإشي. إحنا بنقدر نستخدم نفس طريقة العد بالشيكل. الدايم لأنه 10 cents كأنه 10 شيكل، أوكي. 5 cents كأنه الكوين تبع ال5 شيكل، والبني الشيكل، أوكي، 1 شيكل. So على هالأساس تخيلوا إنه عنا شيكل و5 شيكل و10 شيكل، ونعد المجموعة اللي بتكون عنا. Alright, let's go to the next one. So here's share and show, and we're gonna count on to find the total value. We have a bunch of nickels and pennies, and remember, nickels worth 5 cents and the penny worth 1 cent. So we're gonna count by fives first and then add 1 cent. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents, and add 1 cent for the penny. So we have 26 cents, right? Let's do one more. So here we have a bunch of dimes and nickels, and again, dimes worth 6 cents, nickels worth 5 cents. So we're gonna count by tens and by fives, okay? So let's go. Let's start with counting by tens, 10 cents, 20 cents, and then fives. So we have 25 cents, 35 cents, and the total value will be 35 cents. Now, second graders, I want you to go ahead, practice counting your own money, use shekels, okay? And I want you to record your work, send it to me, and here you go. You're doing a great job. So second graders, that was our first class in chapter 7. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, post your questions down here in the comments. I want to see all your work on the Murshid, not here. And next class, we're going to learn how do we find the total value of a group of coins. So that will be next week, inshallah. Hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Good day.